everyone, this is Tim from DUALSHOCK Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller over to your iPhone, and this is easy to do. So the first thing you want to do is locate the Bluetooth settings. So let's go to settings right here, and it should be near the top. So here's Bluetooth, let's go to it. Now make sure it's turned on, and it's going to start searching for the device to connect to. Make sure your PlayStation 4 controller is turned off, and then hold down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. And then if you look right here on the bottom, this light should begin to flash. So it's flashing, indicating it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode. So let's go back over to our iPhone, and here's the DUALSHOCK 4 wireless controller. Let's just tap that, and it should say connected when it's connected here. So it looks like my controller did turn off on me, so I think it's low battery. So just make sure it's got enough battery. And then once it's connected, you can just press the PlayStation button and it should turn on. Otherwise, if you are still having issues, you could try forgetting the device and then re-adding it. So you can go to forget this device and then re-add it. So let's hold this down again. And it's blinking, and we should be able to just re-add it here. And now it's connected. And then it just turned off. So I got to charge up my controller, and it should be connected here, and we should be good to go. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on DUALSHOCK Studios.